Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for Unit 6, Day 2. Today we are figuring out how we can find the area of a right triangle. Today's video is dedicated to Natalie Sanchez in 6B. Hi Natalie. We're going to start by first finding the area of this rectangle on the right. So if you remember, this is our base, this bottom part here, and it's 5 inches. So we have 5 inches. And to find the area, we can multiply that base with the height. Right, this side is the height, or this side. These are the same. And it's 4 inches. So we can do the base times the height, which is 5 inches times 4 inches. Let's multiply these two together. 5 times 4 is 20, and inches times inches gives us square inches. So 20 inches is our area of this rectangle on the right. Right? All of this is like 20 square inches. Then number 2 is saying to make 2 triangles by splitting the rectangle diagonally. So what I want you to do is to take your pencil, start from one corner, and draw a line to the other corner, just like this. So now we are splitting this rectangle into 2 triangles. Another way you can think of this is, here I have a rectangle. Right, its area was 20 inches squared. And what we're doing is splitting it diagonally across like that. And you see how when we do that, our rectangle becomes 2 triangles. Then, what number 3 is asking us, if our original rectangle was 20, and we split it into 2 equal triangles like this, what is going to be the area of each of these triangles, keeping in mind that the original rectangle was 20 and now we're splitting it into 2? Go ahead and write your answer for number 3. What is going to be the area of each of these triangles, right here? Okay, so if the whole thing is 20 and we split it into 2 halves, each of these triangles, well, 20 split into 2 equal parts is 10 inches each. So this one's going to be 10 inches squared. Same here. Right? That's going to be 10. So the area of each triangle is 10 inches squared. Okay. Now let's put this into a formula. The formula for the area of a rectangle was the base times the height, which is that part. And what we learned today was a triangle is basically just like 1/2 of a rectangle. So if the triangle is just 1/2 of the rectangle, to find the area of the triangle, we take the exact same formula as the rectangle, which is base times height but since it's just 1/2, right? It's just 1/2. Then we take 1/2 of this formula. So it's the base times the height divided by 2. So now we know the area of a triangle is its base times its height, right? This is the base, this is the height, and then divided by 2. Okay, let's try to put this in action now. Take a look at this triangle right here. We're going to get our ruler and then we're going to measure it. Let's start with the base. The base is the bottom part. We're going to round it to the nearest centimeter. Alright, so that's going from 0 to 4. So this base right here, that is 4 centimeters. Put 4 centimeters here. The height is how tall the triangle is. Let's check this right here. That's the height right here. That's about a little more than 3.5. So I'm going to round that up to 4. So the height's also 4 centimeters. The area, well, it's the base times the height divided by 2. Because if we don't divide by 2, then we're just finding the rectangle. We want half of the rectangle. So 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2. And 16 divided by 2 is 8 centimeters squared is the area of this triangle. Not too bad, right? Right. So now you're going to try this problem on the right here. I'm going to have you pause and try this one on your own, and then resume the video to check your work. So let's pause and try it. And now you are resuming the video to check your work. So let's measure. The base is this bottom part down here. And that's going to be about 2 centimeters. The height. That's how tall it is. That's going to be about 6 centimeters. Height, 6 centimeters. The base is 2 centimeters. Area is the base times the height divided by 2. 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the area is 6 centimeters squared. If you got that all on your own, 3 gold stars for you. And now I'm going to have you do the last one all on your own. I will give you one small hint. You see how now it's not, this triangle is not lying flat on the ground, so you're like, ooh, which side is the base? Well, for now, just imagine if you set this triangle like this on a table and then it fell down, which side would land on the ground? Right, you see how if I put this on a table, this side would kind of rotate this way and then fall on the ground. So then this side, this can be our base. And then if that's our base, I think you can figure the rest out. All right, when you are done, raise your hand, and I can check your work, and you can get your ticket.